Tesla Model 3 couldn't get any better? Think again. The 2026 refresh brings sleeker looks, sharper performance, and smarter tech, without losing what made it a game-changer to begin with. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to spot for clear, honest takes on the latest vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model 3, the most refined version of Tesla's best-selling sedan to date. Design: Tesla has given the Model 3 a subtle but meaningful facelift. The front end is cleaner, with slimmer headlights and sharper lines that give it a more modern, premium feel. Aerodynamics are improved, and the updated lighting all around adds to its futuristic vibe. Inside, the cabin is even more minimalist, now quieter, thanks to better sound insulation and higher quality materials. Performance: whether you choose the rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive variant, the Model 3 delivers strong, instant acceleration. The 2026 version offers improved range across all trims, topping out near 390 miles, and a more refined suspension setup that feels more planted and comfortable at speed. It's still quick, but now it feels more composed than ever. Features and tech. Of course, it's packed with tech. A brighter center touchscreen, redesigned UI, and improved voice controls make the experience smoother. Tesla's driver assist suite, including Autopilot and full self-driving, still in beta, continues to evolve. New ambient lighting and ventilated seats are welcome additions, making the interior feel even more high-end. Conclusion: the 2026 Tesla Model 3 isn't just an electric car. It's a smart, stylish, and surprisingly refined daily driver. If you've been waiting for the right time to jump in, this might be it. If you found this review helpful, drop a comment below, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the cars shaping the future. See you in the next one.